At least once in a year or even once in every 2 years, take your kids home, go to the village, celebrate with your kids and kin. Ewe ndị no somewhere obodo oyibo or elsewhere hustle or work or hanata village ya gabala hofuma. Not everyone is expecting something from you. Not everyone wants your money. Some people just want to see you. Your destiny helper can even be in your village. Christmas, New Yam Festival, don't go. You no even go home. You no even celebrate them. Now this is Christmas. Go back, celebrate with your kids and kin. They will not kill you. Nobody will kill you. Shebi, you are not planning to come home for Xmas. You are not going to your home, your own country home, to celebrate the Xmas with your woman. Reason being that Nande woman get the diabolic. No, bria. But yeah, there are a lot of people. There are an avalanche of people who are planning to go home to celebrate with their woman. And then for them to see them. All right? Whether you've made money or you've not made money is very inconsequential. All right? Not everyone is expecting something from you. Not everyone wants your money. Some people just want to see you. Your destiny helper can even be in your village. But you don't want to go because you have the assumption Nandibu no the very devilish. In fact, they are the devils themselves. I've always told a lot of people that people who think this way are a very demonic set of people themselves. All right? All right? And then you exempt yourself from your kin, your kids and kin. It's diabolic yourself. Makano ye di diabolic, bien de na man di diabolic. Otherwise, if you look at it in that light, then everybody in that your village would have been dead people by now. All right? Nobody will be living in that your village. Try and take your kids home. Take them home. Let them associate with their own kids and kin. Oboro sonso makagewa. Imamboya lawutu all year round. And then some people in the village are grappling over the lands that are properties left by either your husband or your parents in Orona town. Alawutu. You want to come back and boast. You have all the connect in Abuja. You have all the connect in Lagos. You have all the connect in Kano. Or maybe in Enugu, Niwe cartel. Your primary cartel, those that should be even your backbone are people back home. People in your homeland will support you. Your villagers will not kill everybody at once. If you are running, marone ebo kuko yoraho. Makano koko na yo ahu, ano achube also. Yes, now me they tell you this one. Always, at least once in a year or even once in every 2 years, take your kids home, go to the village, celebrate with your kids and kin. Ewe ndị no somewhere obodo oyibo or elsewhere hustle or work or hanata village ya gabala hofuma. I know a lot of people like that. This Christmas, New Yam Festival, don't go. You no even go home. You no even celebrate them. Now this is Christmas. Go back, celebrate with your kids and kin. They will not kill you. Nobody will kill you. You are running away. See, if everybody runs away from their villages, then the whole village will be empty. Try and go home. Try and associate with your kids and kin. Ka amalo gi ben na gi no biko. Si malu gi ben na gi agbana Enugu or Abuja or Lagos or obro ben na gi be far. Because if you buy na for that same village they go still come bury you. Associate with them obro no ka aga afugi. Se foge nando. ị na-ejirogodo ego try ya na ta ị afụrịrị ndị ị ga-ayọta ego ị nachie ị afụrịrị ndị ga-emegwu ga assist na that same village ifele emena gị say you no succeed this year no mean say you no go succeed next year. Go to your hometown, go and celebrate this Christmas with your kids and kin. Yes, now I'm on a